In this video, I'm going to show how to send big videos on Telegram. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that I'm showing the process on Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process if you are on computer or if you are on iPhone. So what I need to do is come on Google Drive or any drive that you can use. Okay, it doesn't matter the drive. So after doing that, you need to log into your account, click on this plus button and select the file that you want to send on Telegram. Okay, so select the file and upload on the drive. I already uploaded the video. So after uploading, you click on these three dots and you click Manage Access below Share. Okay, on the second option, Manage Access. Here you click to change. Click right here, will be restricted. You need to click on the second option, anyone with link. So then you come again to this page, click again on these three dots and copy the link. Then you need to come on your Telegram, come on the chat that you want to send the big video and paste the link right here. Okay, so paste the link, click to send, and it will send a big video on Telegram. If you want to make this process with more videos, you just need to upload more videos and do the exact process. I hope I help you how to send big videos on Telegram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.